Hi, Mr. Troha. This is my reassessment for ESTM.3. So I'm trying to prove my understanding of the working and transfer of energy as a result of an applied force on an object and its resulting displacement. So I'm using a situation like a car weighing 1,500 kilograms going at a constant velocity of 35 meters per second. I just picked random numbers. And so in my situation, the car stops at a stop sign because the driver is a good driver. And so I'm going to calculate the amount of energy transferred to dissipated energy. So I'm proving transfer. I'm going to use the kinetic energy equation. Yeah, sorry, I think about that for a second. And I'm just going to solve that using my variable. Don't do that screen. My variables that I understand. I have 1,500, 35, and that is squared. So I'm just going to plug that in real quick. Oops, typed it. Whew, that's a really big number. So my kinetic energy is 918,750 joules. So that's the first part, and then I'm going to solve if it stops in 200 meters, what is the average? I just picked another random. So the 200 meters. What is the average force applied to the car? I'm sort of taking like the outline of different problems throughout the packet as well, but I'm definitely doing my own problem. So I would be solving for energy dissipated at this point, and that is equal to force times change in position, which I have in my problem. So my E dis is going to be equal to my force, which I solved for up here, 918, this is a really ugly number, times my change in position, and that is going to get, oh, yes, I did this wrong a little bit actually, because I'm solving for that actually. Okay, you know what, I'm going to try that again, sorry. Redo. My 981 ugly number is going to go on this side of the equation, because that's actually equal to my energy, is equal to my force, which is what I'm solving for. Times my change of position, which is 200, and then I'm going to divide this, and I got, that's a 5, 93.75 newtons. Awesome. So my force after that is writing a little bit nicer because it's actually impossible to read. Awesome. So, sorry, that was a little bit hard to follow because I screwed up a little bit, but that is my understanding of the transfer of energy as applied forces and etc. Thank you very much.